How to clear videos you've watched on Facebook. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook on your phone. Then, after that, you want to go ahead and tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. Now you want to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. As you do that, tap on Settings. Now here you need to scroll down until you find Activity Log. Now you just want to go ahead and tap on it. Now you need to swipe to the right towards of the blue items right here. You just want to do here is swipe and then tap on Video Watched. So here are all the videos that you have watched on Facebook. To delete them, you want to tap on 3 dots on the right hand side corner of every video. You just want to go ahead and tap on it. Then you want to tap on Delete and it will be deleted. To clear all the videos you've watched on Facebook, you have to do it one by one. You cannot do it all of them at once. That is how you can clear videos you've watched on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.